Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brawl Stars Sigma Pin. To begin, understanding what the Sigma Pin represents is key. It's a special collectible that demonstrates your commitment. These exclusive pins are not always available, making them highly sought after by players. You'll want to stay informed about special events to ensure you do not miss opportunities. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to add it to your collection. Securing the Sigma Pin usually involves participating in a time-limited event found directly within your game's Events tab. These special challenges are designed to test your abilities across various game modes and brawlers. You must successfully complete all objectives before the event concludes to be eligible. The game provides clear instructions on your progress and remaining tasks, guiding you every step of the way. The Sigma Pin Challenge generally requires you to secure 12 total wins across a series of specified game modes. You will face a cap of 4 losses before your challenge attempt concludes, so careful play is essential. Forming a consistent team of 3 players is highly advisable, as coordinated strategies significantly increase your chances of success. Plan your brawler selections wisely for each match type. To maximize your chances, practice extensively with your best brawlers in the recommended game modes beforehand. Strong team synergy and clear communication with your teammates are incredibly important for overcoming tough opponents. Always prioritize the game's objective, whether it is collecting 10 gems in Gem Grab or scoring 2 goals in Brawl Ball. Staying calm and making calculated moves will significantly improve your win rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.